Alright, so the only thing left to do for your oil change is to reset the maintenance light. So once you start the vehicle up, if an oil change is due on the heads-up display, you'll get this message. To reset this, all you have to do is go to the menu over here. You're going to go all the way over to settings. You're going to go down until you hit vehicle settings. Click enter. Scheduled maintenance, oil maintenance. Then it says press enter to reset oil maintenance data. So I'm going to press enter on that. Reset it. Yes. Data has been reset. That's good. So now the vehicle's maintenance tracking system's been reset. Oil change is complete. I'm going to pull this out, let it run for just a second, and then go ahead and recheck my levels, make sure everything looks good. Hey guys, I just want to thank you for watching the video. Hope you found it useful. Please consider liking and subscribing below. Any tools or parts that were used, they're always listed down in the description. Thank you guys for tuning in to All American Garage.